Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for class 4th, subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 5, division, and this is our lecture number 2. Now, in this lecture, I shall discuss about, let's rewind, exercise question number 6 to question number 9. Properties of division and exercise 5a. Now, table of 10. Speak with me. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Now, table of 11. Speak with me. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110. Now, table of 12. Speak with me. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Now, I will tell you activity again. See, activity. There are 12 stars and 4 boxes. How to put 12 stars into 4 equal sized boxes. How to put 12 stars into 4 equal sized boxes. See, 12 stars are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there are 4 equal sized boxes. You have to put 12 stars into 4 equal sized boxes. Clear? Now, see, there are 4 equal sized boxes given and you have to put 12 stars into 4 equal sized boxes. Okay, so we will put one by one star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Thus, 3 stars should be kept in each box. In each box, there are 3 stars. Okay. Therefore, it can be written as 12 divide 4 equal to 3. Now, solve the following questions. Let's rewind exercise. Question number 6. How many 5s are there in 100? How many 5s are there in 100? 100 में कितने 5s हैं? It means we will divide 100 by 5. Write down answer 100 divided 5. Clear? Now divide. Write 5 here and write 100 here. Now see, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Write 2 here and write 10 here. Now we will do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Write 0 here. Now we will take next number. Okay, write down 0 as it is. But we will take this 0 in quotient. Write 0 in quotient. So, hence quotient is 20 and remainder is 0. Write down 100 divided 5 equal to 20. Answer is 20. Write down. Thus, there are 20 5s in 100. Clear? Now, question number 7. How many hours are there in 540 minutes? How many hours are there in 540 minutes? Answer, as we know that 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So, therefore, 540 minutes equal to 540 divided by 60. Okay, so we have to divide 540 by 60. Clear? Write down 540 and write down 60 here. Now see, 60 is a 2-digit divisor, so we will take first 2 numbers in dividend, that is 54. But see, 54 is less than 60, so we will take one more number also. So number will be 540. Clear? So multiply the 60 by that number so that it is equal to 540 or less than 540. It should not be greater than 540. Clear? So write down 60 multiply 9. See, 9 zeros are 0, write 0 here. 9 6 are 54, write 54 here. 60 multiply 9 equal to 540. So write down 9 here and 540 here. Now we will do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Write 0 here. Clear? Quotient is 9 and remainder is 0. So answer is 9. Clear? Write down 9 hours. 540 minutes equal to 9 hours. Write down. Therefore, there are 9 hours in 540 minutes. Clear? Now, question number 8. How many tens make 110? How many tens make 110? Answer 110 divided 10. We will divide 110 by 10. Divide, write 10 here and write 110 here. See, 10 1s are 10, 10 multiply 1 equal to 10. Write 1 here and write 10 here. Now we will do subtraction. 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and then we will take next number, that is 10. Now multiply again, 10 multiply 1 equal to 10. Write 1 here and write 10 here. Now we will do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Write 0 here. Quotient is 11, remainder is 0. Write down 110 divided 10 equal to 11. 11 is the answer. Write down, thus 11 tens make 110. Thus 11 tens make 110. Now question number 9. If rupees 5,555 is collected for 5 families which have been ruined by floods, how much money does each family get? Answer. Write down statements. Money collected for 5 families equal to rupees 5,555. Each family will get money equal to rupees 5,555 divided by 5. Now divide, write 5 here and write 5,555 here. Now multiply 5 multiply 1 equal to 5. Write 1 here and write 5 here. Now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. Write 0 here and write 5. Next number, that is 5 here. Now multiply again. 5 multiply 1 equal to 5. Write 5 here. 5 minus 5, 0. Write 0 here. Now take next number, that is 5. Now again multiply 5 multiply 1 equal to 5. Write 5 here and write 1 here. Now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. Write 0 here. Now take next number, that is 5. Now again multiply 5 multiply 1 equal to 5. Now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. Write 0 here. Hence quotient is 1111 and remainder is 0. Write down. Therefore, each family will get money equal to rupees 1111. Clear? Now, properties of division. First property, dividing by 1. If a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. If a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. अगर हम किसी नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं 1 से, the quotient is the number itself. तो quotient आपका y नंबर होगा. Clear? For example, A part 41 divide 1 equal to 41. Okay? 41 divide 1 equal to 41. Clear? B part 54 divide 1 equal to 54. Clear? C part 100 divide 1 equal to 100. Clear? Now, second property, dividing by the number itself. If a number other than 0 is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. If a number other than 0 is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 के अलावा अगर हम डिवाइड करते हैं उसी सेम नंबर से, the quotient is 1. तो quotient आपका 1 होगा. Clear? For example, A part 2367 divide same number, that is 2367 equal to 1. B part 9800 divide 9800 equal to 1. C part 10,000 divide 10,000 equal to 1. Clear? Now, third property, dividing 0 by any number. Dividing 0 by any number. If 0 is divided by a number other than 0, the quotient is 0. If 0 is divided by a number other than 0, the quotient is 0. Remember that 0 should be dividend, not divisor. Clear? For example, A part 0 divide 414 equal to 0. B part 0 divide 584 equal to 0. C part 0 divide 1684 equal to 0. Clear? Now, fourth property, dividing a number by 0. Dividing a number by 0. A number cannot be divided by 0. Division by 0 is meaningless. Means if divisor is 0, then we cannot divide that number. Clear? A number cannot be divided by 0. Division by 0 is meaningless. Clear? Now, fifth property, multiplication and division facts. Multiplication and division facts. Every division sum has a division fact and a multiplication fact to verify it. Clear? Every division sum has a division fact and a multiplication fact to verify it. For example, A part, in 12 divide 6 equal to 2. 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. Division fact equal to 12 divide 2 equal to 6. If you will divide 12 by 2, you will get 6. Clear? Now, multiplication fact to verify it. See, 6 multiplied 2 equal to 12. Okay? 6 multiplied 2 equal to 12. Clear? Now, important points to remember. First point, dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Second point, in division sums, when no remainder is left or the remainder is 0, the dividend is exactly divisible. Third point, the remainder is always less than the divisor. The remainder is always less than the divisor. Clear? Now, solve the following questions. Exercise 5A. Fill in the blanks. First question, 67 divide 1 equal to dash. Answer, see, if you are dividing any number by 1, you will get the quotient that same number itself. And here 67 divide 1 equal to, you will get that same number, that is 67. Clear? So write down 67 divide 1 equal to 67. Now, third question, 321 divide 321 equal to dash. If you are dividing any number other than 0 by that same number, then you will get 1 as the quotient. Clear? Write down answer. 321 divide 321 equal to 1. Now, fifth question, 0 divide 3947 equal to 0. If you are dividing 0 by any number other than 0, then you will get 0 as the quotient. Clear? Write down answer. 0 divide 3947 equal to 0. Clear? Now, seventh question. In 4835 divide 15. Q equal to dash and R equal to dash. Q means quotient and R means remainder. You have to find quotient and remainder by dividing 4835 by 15. Write down answer. Make a sign like this. Write 15 here and write 4835 here. Now see, 15 is a 2-digit divisor. So we will take first two numbers in dividend, that is 48. So multiply this 15 by that number so that you will get equal to 48 or less than 48. It should not be greater than 48. See, 15 multiply 3 equal to 45. Write 3 here and write 45 here. Now we will do subtraction. 8 minus 5, 3. Write 3 here and write 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Write 0 here. Now we will take next number, that is 3. So number will be 33. Now multiply 15 by that number so that you will get 33 or less than 33. That should not be greater than 33. So 15 to the 30. Write 2 here and write 30 here. Now we will do subtraction. 3 minus 0, 3. And 3 minus 3, 0. Write 0 here. Now take next number, that is 5. The number will be 35. Now again multiply. See, 15 multiply 2 equal to 30. Now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. Write 5 here. And 3 minus 3, 0. Write 0 here. Now see, quotient is 322 and remainder is 5. Clear? Write down. In 4835 divide 15. quotient equal to 322 and remainder equal to 5. Means Q equal to 322 and R equal to 5. Clear? Now, 8th question. If divisor is 1, the quotient is equal to the dash. Answer. If divisor is 1, the quotient is equal to the dividend. If divisor is 1, अगर divisor 1 है, the quotient is equal to the dividend. Clear? Now, solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 5A. Fill in the blanks. Second question, 0 divide 676 equal to dash. 0 divide 676 equal to dash. Fourth question, 786 divide dash equal to 1. 786 divide dash equal to 1. Sixth question, dash divide 735 equal to 0. Dash divide 735 equal to 0. Now, ninth question. The dash is always smaller than the divisor. The dash is always smaller than the divisor. 10th question. If the dividend is 0, the quotient is also dash. If the dividend is 0, the quotient is also dash. These are the questions assigned as homework. Now, I will discuss homework solutions of lecture number 1 of chapter number 5, division. Now, solve the following questions. Let's rewind exercise. Question number 4. Divide D part. 496 divide 8 equal to dash. It means we have to divide 496 by 8. Write down answer. Make a sign like this. Write 8 here and write 496 here. Now see, 8 is a single digit divisor. So we will take only first number in dividend, that is 4. But 4 is less than 8, so we will take next number, that is 9. So number will be 49. Now multiply 8 by that number so that you will get equal to 49 or less than 49. That should not be greater than 49. See, 8 multiply 6 equal to 48. Write 6 here and write 48 here. Now we will do subtraction. 9 minus 8, 1. Write 1 here. 4 minus 4, 0. Write 0 here. Now we will take next number, that is 6. Number will be 16. 8 multiply 2 equal to 16. Write 2 here and write 16 here. Now we will do subtraction. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. See, quotient is 62 and remainder is 0. Write down. Thus, 496 divide 8 equal to 62. Now, E part. 648 divide 4 equal to dash. It means we have to divide 648 by 4. Write down answer. Make a sign like this. Write 4 here and write 648 here. Now see, 4 is a one digit divisor. So we will take only one number in dividend. That is 6. See, but 6 is greater than 4. Yes. So multiply this 4 by that number so that it is equal to 6 or less than 6. It should not be greater than 6. See, 4 multiply 1 equal to 4. Write 1 here and write 4 here. Now we will do subtraction. 6 minus 4, 2. Write 2 here. Now take next number, that is 4. So number is 24. Now multiply this 4 by that number so that it is equal to 24 or less than 24. That should not be greater than 24. See, 4 multiply 6 equal to 24. Write 6 here and write 24 here. Now we will do subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. Write 0 here. 2 minus 2, 0. Write 0 here. Now take next number, that is 8. Multiply 4 multiply 2 equal to 8. Now we will do subtraction. 8 minus 8, 0. Write 0 here. Quotient is 162 and remainder is 0. Write down. Thus, 648 divide 4 equal to 162. Clear? Now, F part. 763 divide 7 equal to dash. It means we have to divide 763 by 7. Write down answer. Make a sign like this. Write 7 here and write 763 here. Now see, 7 is a one digit divisor. So we will take only first number, that is in dividend, that is 7. See, 7 multiply 1 equal to 7. Write 1 here and write 7 here. Now we will do subtraction. 7 minus 7, 0. So take next number, that is 6. Okay. Now see, 6 is less than 7. So we will take one more number, that is 3. So number will be 63 and we will write 1 0 in quotient. Now see, 7 multiply 9 equal to 63. Clear? Now we will do subtraction. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. Write 0 here. Now see, quotient is 109 and remainder is 0. So write down, thus 763 divide 7 equal to 109. Clear? Now, question number 5. Fill in the blanks. A part, 60 divide 6 equal to dash. 60 divide 6 equal to dash. Divide 6 by 6. 6 divide 6 equal to 1 and write this 0 as it is. So answer will be 10. Write down answer, 60 divide 6 equal to 10. So 10 is the answer. B part, 81 divide 9 equal to dash. 81 divide 9 equal to dash. If you will divide 81 by 9, then you will get 9 as the answer. Clear? Write down answer. 81 divide 9 equal to 9. So 9 is the answer. Now, C part, 80 divide dash equal to 8. 80 divide dash equal to 8. By which number you will divide? So that you will get 8. We will divide by 10. 80 divide 10 equal to 8. Write down answer. 80 divide 10 equal to 8. How? See, this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. 80 divide 1 equal to 8. Okay, so that's why answer is 10. Clear? Now D part, 63 divide dash equal to 9. 63 divide dash equal to 9. Answer, 63 divide 7 equal to 9. And if you will multiply the 7 and 9, you will get 63. Okay, that's why answer is 7. Okay. Now E part, 417 divide dash equal to 417. Answer, 417 divide 1 equal to 417. If you will divide any number other than 0 by 1, then you will get that same number as the quotient. Okay, that's why answer is 1. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.